How to create and use poll option on TikTok. So if you want to create and add your poll option, then first of all open up your TikTok application, and after opening, tap on the plus icon which is on the bottom middle corner, and now you have to make a video. And after making that, tap on the tick which is on the bottom right corner, and after making your video, on the right side you will have a bunch of options. You can simply tap on stickers, and now under stickers, for now I only have question and answer sticker, but here you will find your poll option, and you can simply tap on that poll, and from there you can add your questions and use your poll. So that's it. That's how you add poll and use it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.